Happen ba yan? Well, ayun, no? Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Ay, sarap naman ng apple. Pakita mo yan. Kumakain siya ng apple, guys. Yun, no? Ayun, no? Kinukuskus lang ni mami na apple niya, guys. Ay. Kinukuskus lang ni mami na apple niya, guys. Ang tamis kasi ng apple. Ay, sarap. Sarap lang ng kumain ng apple ng pera. Sarap lang kumain ng apple ng pera. Sarap lang. Bela kinsit na eh. Kasi hindi niya makapagantay guys eh. Gutom na gutom Bela namin, no? Ayun, yes! Bella enjoying apple, guys. Bitaw na. Cute-cute ng Bella namin, guys. Ay, nakasang kumain ng apple ng Bella namin. Sarap naman kumain ng apple ng Bella namin. Ay. One apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, very good. Every day guys, nag-a-apple ang Bella namin. Yeah. Para, healthy and beautiful. Yes. Okay, guys, so. Kuskus lang ng mami, nakapal na. Kaya mo naman kasi gusto eh. Nakapal mo kasi yun eh. Pagkain eh.
Wait lang, wait. Sasabi.
Sit properly kasi Bella. Sit properly. Wait for the food, okay? Okay. Okay, wait for mommy to give you the ano.
Okay na?
Okay, yes. Okay. Hey. Bella eats apple every day. Ang makulit na daddy niya. Ayun, yes. Ang makulit na daddy ng Bella. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, more. Bella, more.
Sabi ba?
Ayun. More. Ayun. Nalawanan Bella pag ano ka na. Solid na. Meron kang chop rapol. Meron kang chop singkamas. Meron kang chop ano pa Bella? Peras. Okay. Wow. You're already eating and you're still putting your finger inside your mouth, Bella. Ay, ka. Bella mo ganito. Okay. Oh. Sarap. Ayun, no? Sarap. Sarap ng apple ni Bella, guys. Inukuskus lang ni mami ng kutsara. Ayun, oh. Okay. Inukus lang ng mami ng kutsara. Yung apple ni Bella, guys.
Nom nom.
Ay! Smell ko.
Worm.
Name dati eh. Makain ng bere eh.